To upload a file, as an example, your laser cutter exported file here to your KTH server account, it is really easy to do from any computer in the world, as long as it's connected to the internet. You simply go into home.ug.kth.se and you log in with your credentials, and then you have access to your home drive, the same as the one that you get access to when you log in with your credentials on a physical computer here at KTH. And then you simply drag that and upload it. Very good. And now it says that it's uploaded and it is here and accessible for you from the computer lab or elsewhere on KTH. From this web interface, you also, of course, have access to all the student resources, like, as an example, courses and architecture and everything that's, let's expand this, and everything that is here. When you currently are in a directory that you would like to save for frequent revisits, you can click Favorites and Add to Favorites, as this has already been. Thank you for your time.